In this video, I'll show you how to highlight objects using Object Matte in After Effects. First, we add the video to the timeline, then we select the Object Matte at the top, we double click on the video layer, it will open in a separate window. Then we place the cursor above the target or the object we want to highlight. A different color overlay will appear above it, indicating the selection. To confirm the selection, we do a left click. Now, before we track anything, let's head over to the effect controls, go into propagation, and increase the search radius. I'm going for 100. Also, if there is motion blur in your object, make sure you check Use Motion Blur for better results. Then press spacebar on the keyboard to track the object throughout the video. And once the tracking is done, make sure you switch back to Composition View at the top. Here we need to duplicate the video layer by selecting it, then go up to Edit, Duplicate, Ctrl D is the shortcut. Now we select the bottom video layer and delete Object Matte effect from it. Then we open Effects and Presets window and search for Fill, and add fill to the top video layer that has Object Matte on it. Then in Effect Controls, we select the color that we want for the highlight. I'm going for green, click OK, and then decrease the opacity to your liking. Now the object will remain highlighted. Also, if you want to expand the selection and soften the edges of it, go back to the Effect Controls, Object Matte settings, increase Shift Edge to 100, decrease contrast slightly, and then play around with feather until you like it. So if I play this back, now we'll have a perfectly highlighted object.